assume I'm on. So I'm a Carolina Weather Group meteorologist, Scotty Powell here. Wanted to give you a quick update of some severe weather that's moving through the area. Let me get my my earbuds in here so we can get going here. We are watching a severe thunderstorm warning in southern Burke County as well as Catawba County, and it's kind of piqued our attention. It does have a tornado tag possible. So what I want to do is pull up the radar here, and hopefully you can see this now. We're watching just a little bit of rotation that's going to be moving over Highway 18. This is going to be at the intersection of Burke County, Catawba County into Lincoln County. This severe thunderstorm warning goes until 5 p.m., but there's just a little bit of possible rotation that's going over Highway 18 south right now. This would be in the George Hildebrand community. This is a look at the terminal Doppler. If I go over to the GSP Doppler radar, that rotation doesn't look to be as noticeable. But again, right in this area on Highway 18 is where this possible tornado. So we are going to be looking at the terminal Doppler out of Charlotte Douglas Airport. And this is the severe thunderstorm warning. I'll take the screen back just a little bit ago. And you can watch the evolution of this storm, and you can really see it tightens up right in this area. This was about 5 minutes ago, and as it continues to move, the rotation has broadened out a little bit now. But again, about 3, 4, 5 minutes ago, this was at 4:20. You could see this little kidney bean hook, and that is where we could have potentially seen maybe a weak spin-up tornado. The National Weather Service updated this warning just about 10 minutes ago and said they included the tornado tag possible. We've been talking about that here lately on the show, just what that means. So as we go out now, the rotation, it seems to has diminished some, but we'll continue to watch this storm for just a little bit longer. We'll see if it perks back up, if it cycles back up. But again, this was on Highway 18 south of Morganton. This was to the east of South Mountain State Park. Again, there was a few frames on radar, especially starting about this is about 4:16. This is 4:17, 4:18, 4:19. You can really start to see maybe a little bit of circulation, rotation, and then by 4:20, we saw this signature right here. That's at least on reflectivity, could see that could have been a potential, just a quick, brief spin up. Here's our velocities. It's kind of messy. We're just on the range of radar data, and then as we go into current time, the rotation has seemed to have went away again. So, but we'll watch this for the next couple of minutes. We'll see if it perks back up. But this is a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Burke County as well as southwestern Catawba County. We can broaden the radar out here. We also have numerous storms. One storm getting ready to move over Charlotte Douglas International Airport that's producing a lot of lightning. We do have one severe thunderstorm warning out for Union County, North Carolina, as well as one severe thunderstorm warning out for portions of Davie and Cabarrus County. Let me turn this lightning data off. It can kind of get a little crazy there, harder to see. And this storm could be really producing some large hail up in the Kannapolis area going into Rockwell. So that's 3 severe thunderstorm warnings in the Piedmont and western North Carolina. We also have a new severe thunderstorm warning for Greenville in Spartanburg counties in South Carolina. This is moving into downtown Greenville and then eventually Greer and then Spartanburg. This severe thunderstorm warning goes until 5 p.m. So again, 4 severe thunderstorm warnings in the upstate of South Carolina as well as the Piedmont of North Carolina. And we have one additional severe thunderstorm warning This is for Clarendon and Orangeburg County in central South Carolina. That also goes until 5 p.m. with the possibility of seeing some damaging winds and large hail. So again, excuse me. We've got 4 or 5 severe thunderstorm warnings ongoing right now in North Carolina and South Carolina. We have one in central South Carolina and another severe thunderstorm warning up in the upstate near Greenville, Greer, and Spartanburg County, South Carolina. And then we are watching 3 cells near the Charlotte-Mecklenburg area, one in Union County, North Carolina, northern Cabarrus and Rowan County in North Carolina, and then this storm over Burke and Catawba County in North Carolina as well. Let's go over to the Doppler radar from the terminal Doppler and near the Charlotte Douglas Airport. Again, that rotation has since weakened. So we will go maybe another couple of minutes here. We'll watch this, and then we'll go back to streaming some webcams and NOAA weather radio. But again, this severe thunderstorm warning in southern Burke County as well as southwestern Catawba County goes until 5 p.m., and the potential for seeing some damaging winds as well as some large hail up to $5 size. There was a tornado possible tag on this storm for that brief rotation around the 4:15 to 4:25 time frame. So that was in southeastern Burke County as it tracked across Highway 18. We'll switch over to this radar source. We also have this severe thunderstorm warning that's in Union and eventually moving into Stanley County. This goes until 4:45. Then we also have this monsters thunderstorm over northern Cabarrus County and southern Rowan County. This could be producing up to 2 to 2.5 inch in diameter hail. That warning goes until 5 p.m., I believe. Yes, until 5 p.m. And that is for golf ball size hail and 60-mile-per-hour winds. And this could affect Kannapolis, downtown Concord, Landis, Enochville, Rockwell, Mount Pleasant, Cottle Creek, Gold Hill, Faith, and West Concord. And again, this storm really now to the north of Concord. This is going to be moving into the Rockwell community. Watch out for the potential of large hail with this storm, up to golf ball size hail. And then let's look at this severe thunderstorm warning that's ongoing for Spartanburg County and Greenville County. This goes until 5 p.m. And again, we could see the potential for some large hail near Campobello. Inman, South Carolina, we could see up to 1 inch in diameter. That's about the size of a quarter, as well as some really heavy rain and some lightning back over Greenville and Greer, South Carolina. And we'll go to this last severe thunderstorm warning that is ongoing in central South Carolina. This is for Clarendon and Orangeburg counties. This again for the potential of 60-mile-per-hour winds and quarter-size hail. This severe thunderstorm warning continues for another 30 minutes. Some of the places that could be affected: Manning, Somerton, Santee Cooper, Vance, and Indian Bluff in central South Carolina. So let's go back one more time. We're going to look, and yeah, that rotation's pretty much gone. So control room, we'll go ahead and go back to streaming live webcams and NOAA weather radio as we continue to watch radar, and if anything pops up, we will pop back in. So for now, let's go back to streaming NOAA, All Hazards Weather Radio, and our webcams throughout the Carolinas.